Arrest by 17. Pass to Glenn. Glenn again. Wala na. This time.
Patay na. Wala ng battery.
Sayang din. Pass to
Ito na lang.
23.
Ah, ganun talaga.
27. And layup. 2 points for number 27. 9-7 for score. 8 minutes remaining. It is to Jacob. Jacob. Wala.
Brianna.
Number 17. 17. Dribbling the ball. I was texting. Rebound by Eretz. Eretz. Dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Arrest by 23. Layup wala. Rebound by Vincent. Vincent. Uy! Huli ka. Jacob. Jacob to Glenn. Glenn has scored in the table. Another Glenn naglalaro. Pass to Jacob. Jacob for 3. Ay, bitin. Vincent. Wala. Rebound by Arlen. Pass to Jet. 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 Balakay. 26.
Yes.
Binigay kay Jet. 24
Yes.
for 3. Wala. Rebound by Glenn. Glenn. Rebound by Buhang kay Jet. Balik kay 23. 23. Number 2 points.
Nice, main. Nice, main.
9-0.
Patay na to eh. Wala ng battery.
Jacob. Jacob pass to Vincent. Vincent Lorenzo. Buhang kay Jet. Nasa kay 23.
Go, Kurt.
27.
Yes, main. Ay, main. Yes, nag-go Jermaine, no? Yes, my cheerleader. Go Jermaine daw. Go Chan! Go Chan! Yun! Sa wakas! Sa wakas! Sinuwerte din! Go Jermaine daw! Yes! Ah! Go Chan! Go Chan! Go Chan! Yes! Yun oh!
Kuya Martin, pinasa kay Obia. Obia for 2. Well done. 2 points for 25. Key time.
Ay! 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 Ay!
Oy! Ayan si Kuya Ben. Oy! Eretz! Wala pa rin. Sige na. Number 24. Pass to 7.
Go Chan! Nice, nice,
Number 24. Seth Remy. Jetrex Remy. Kuya Martin to Glenn. Glenn to Eretz to Vincent. Hindi pala, sa front.
Go Chan! Go Chan! Go Chan! Go Chan! Gabi! Diba? Ba yan?
Ayusin yung buhay. Ayun siya na.
Gising! Gising!
Wala pa. Wala pa rin. 2 points by Vincent. Ay, sino yun? Basta na siya. Number 17. Number 17.
Go Chan!
By Jacob. 2 points by Charity.
Nice!
Gusto daw magpa-picture. Ayun na natin. Ayun natin. Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin. Wala. Rebound by Vincent. Vincent again. 2 points. Number 4. King Ty.
nagpapakitang gilas. Pinamalas siya kanina, ngayon swerte na siya.
Last by Charity. Glenn, si Melissa, last by Jermaine. Ano ba ang sabi?
Ay!
Number 27.
Oh!
Go, Melissa. Go, Glenn. For 3. Basket. Gusto magpa-picture. Takbo ba yan? Number 17.
Go, Chan!
Isa pa.
Ba yan, Chan? Ayusin mo.
Sa airport lang sila. Nagtravel-airport. Go, Jacob! Jacob, take your time. Alright, okay. Check, give me the ball. 20.
Ayusin nyo.
Hala. Vincent, go Vincent! Yan! 2 points for number 4. Takbo.
Ayusin nyo, ayusin nyo. Yon! Grabe yon!
Go, Ken, throwing the ball. Putting the shoot. Jacob. Another one. Wala. Tama na. Silent na. Okay. Wala.
Nice! Nice, Kurt! Nice, Kurt!
Go yan, Eric. Go, kuya. Diretso, kuya. Ayan na.
Ayusin nyo.
Number 20.
Seryoso, seryoso. Go, men! Wow!
Dribbling the ball.
Ay!
Dribbling the ball. Pinalas na yung 23. Pinasa ka defensive. Go team. Walang team. RJ!
Ay, pas.
Well done, RJ. Oh, Jacob, one more time. Okay. RJ. RJ, two. Jet. Jet to third.
Yes!
Nice try.
Sayang.
Ogyan. Yee-haw! May MVP na tayo. For 3.
Kaya nga. Hindi ko na ano eh. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung tubig mo. I don't know. Tubig niya daw. Mahal. Look. Tumatawa. Hindi ko mahanap yung tubig niya. Ayun o. Grabe yon. Grabe yon.
Ogyan. Pass to Richard Gomez. Wala.
Richard Gomez.
Back to 24. Carry on. Number 23.
Go, men!
2 points by Jermaine.
Go, Kyra!
Jacob to Glenn. Glenn to Richard.
Oh, yung camera ko.
Richard, naghahanap ng kapusahan. Pasok
eh. Yun sa ilalim.
Richard, dribbling the ball. 18 to shoot. Oh, wala.
Oh. Ilalim, ilalim. Go, Kyra!
Richard, pass to Glenn. Glenn. Oh, wala.
Go, Chan! Go, Chan! Ay, Bekeli. Nilalaro lang nila. Wala lang. Chilling lang. Ay! Chay! Yes, yes, yes! Pinasa.
Richard,
Pinasa.
pass to Kuya Alex. Kuya. Arjen, pass to the ref. Send Ricky.
Uy! Ayusin nyo. Ayusin, ayusin.
Glenn, dribbling the ball. Glenn, pinasa, wala. Love shot. Bakit kaya? Bola, Jen.
Ilalim, ilalim,
Jen,
ilalim.
pass to number 30.
Yes.
Richard, Jacob, go Jacob. Kaya mo yan. You can do it, Jacob. Hoy, okay. RJ.
Puro 3 points.
Vincent.
Natamad na. Pagod na.
Shot ulit.
Pagod na ba kayo? Ano?
Go, Vincent. Sa iyo lang. Sa iyo lang. RJ, number 3.
Baba, ilalim, ilalim.
Go Vincent, go Richard Gomez. Oh, wala. Richard na lang. Okay.
Ayan.
2 points.
Naghang.
27. Bola! 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 Teka muna. Bola sa bata. Wala mo sablet. Sablet. Sino? Sakso. Glenn to Jacob. Jacob running the ball. Pass to Glenn. Glenn for 3. Pumasa ulit. Wala pala. Wala.
Go, Chan!
Go,
Seryoso na, seryoso na. Nice! Good!
Richard, dumiretso si Richard. Wala. Nadulas si Richard.
Go, Chan! Baba, baba, baba! Lalim, lalim! Go, Kyra! Sayang, sayang!
Jacob dribbling the ball. Jacob. Richard. Go Richard. Oh! Nice one. Number 7. Dukes. Pass to Tolentino. Tolentino number 17. Sumasayaw. Nagsasayaw ulit.
Yes! Wow, sayang.
Go Kuya.
rebound.
Glenn. 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 Glenn to Richard. Richard to Richard. Richard River. One is time of left. Send ready.
Go, Chan! Wow! Sorry ko. Pa yun.
Wala.
Ano nangyari?
4 minutes remaining time. Number 25. Halaka. Block by Jacob. Nag-dress. Wala na. Rebound by Kirk. Kirk Vincent Morales. Ayan ka. Dua. 3. Vincent San. Sa inting ni Dua. Inting ni Dua. Go Jacob. Jacob. Yes. Wala. Wala. All good. Next time. Next time. Go.
Go, Chan! Go, Chan! Ay, malakas.
Parang nag-shooting lang kayo ng $5 sila. Go, Glenn, for 2! 2 more! Time out! Time out! Oh. Jermaine. RJ for
Yes!
Wala ka. 3 minutes remaining time. Go, wag mo na. 25. Wala. Kuya ulit. Kuya Martin, naghahanap. Pinasa kay Christian. Christian, pinasa kay Ken. Don, pinasa kay Jermaine.
Yes!
Glenn. Glenn for 3. Sweet. 3 points for number 25. Score po natin, 41-39. Magkakit na po. 43.
Ay!
Wala.
Sayang.
Wala sa likod. Careful, kids. Kuya Martin, to 25. 25, 20 again. Muntik na. RJ. RJ. 2 is to 3.
Yes!
Bula.
Sayang.
Okay, so muna kayo pala Discussion for players natin din. RJ, 2 points. Kuya Alex! Kuya Alex! Ayan, kuya! Uy, okay pa. Number 3. Isa pa, Vincent. Nice one. 2 points by number 4. RJ? RJ, giving the ball for 3. Wala. Glenn. Glenn, dribbling the ball. 3. Aba, bigla. Dobbs, Dobbs. RJ! Kuya Alex. Kuya Alex. Kuya Alex, dribbling the ball. Diretso, diretso. Nakapuntos ang dos. Number 32 points. Kita ka naman ang block natin yan. 45-41. Naman ang team timeouts. One push up. Kuya Martin for 2 points by number Kuya Martin. Number 16. Tolentino. Tolentino. Pinasa kay Jermaine for 2. Number 23. 2 points. 47-41 in favor of team time. Time remaining 25 seconds. Oh, wala. Seconds to play. Vincent. Vincent Benitzo. Pinasa kay. Pinasa ka. Okay. Seconds to play. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 27, Richard, dribbling the ball, pass to Martin. Martin pass to the ring. Rebound by RJ. Back to 17. 17 to Ken.
Go,
Score natin 47-all. 49-47. And Jacob all 7-13.
Go, Chan.
Number 17.
Push, push, push. Push.
Number 3. 2 points for number
Nice,
3.
nice, nice.
2 points by number 3. 10-13. For 3. Rebound by Richard. Yes, 2 points for number 27. Richard Gomez. Bola. Relentless. Harap by Glenn Cobrian. Sumasayaw sila with a smile. 12 to shoot. For 2 points. Number 3. Jacob. Jacob dribbling the ball. Jacob pass to Martin. Martin, kumuha. Rebound by Vincent. Uy, tinumang Kuya Martin. Number 25, for 3. Yeah, wala. Isa pa, Vincent. 24, pass to Dobbs. Dobbs versus Jacob. Pass by Jacob. Oy, holding by Jacob. 2 points by number 27. Bulan. Richard. Bulan. Christian. Christian. Nagsasayaw.
Chan.
Sumasayaw. Sasayaw pa. 2 points. By number 17. Jacob, pass to Richard. Richard, pass to Martin. Martin for 2. 2 points, number 16. Pintar, Kuya Martin. Christian. Christian
Go,
Gray.
Chan. Wow! Grabe yun!
2 points by number 17. Chika muna sila. Chika sila.
Careful.
3. Marami na.
Brianna.
Anye, pass to Jet. Jet. Jet.
Yes, 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 yes.
Wala. Go Richard, pass to Len. Kilen, nagtigo si Len. Tumipiso, tumipintayan. 2 points. Len, number 25. Christian Gray. Pinasa. Kay Bert, binalik kay Christian.
Yes!
Gray.
Wow!
Number 17.
Yun!
61-56 points score natin. 8 minutes remaining time in favor of St. Remy. Jacob, go Jacob. Shua Zulu, Jacob. Pass to Obiel. 3. Wala. Kaya.
Baya!
Vincent. Anong gagawin?
Bayon!
Ayusin mo po.
Ayun!
Number 4, dribbling the ball. For 3. Uy. It's okay.
Brianna.
Bola ng St. Remy. Again. Third. Third. 15 to shoot.
Robert.
Hala, nag-spin. Hala, hala. Pero wala. It's a front.
Sayang.
Number 25. Dribbling the ball. Hala. Too strong.
gusto magpa-picture.
Nice one! Pampapicture na yan.
Picture na yan.
Si Glenn nakarami na. Richard Gomez! Richard Gomez! Alright. Gomes! Jumper! Gomes! Ako niya! Halaka! May up 2 points for Ria Acuna. Ay, gusto na! Gusto na yun. Richard! Wala! Richard Gray. Ano naman pangalan mo? Christian. Wow. Glenn. Okay. Ano ba nandiyan kayo kayo? Okay ako. RJ pass to Christian.
Luchan!
Christian, alam na, 2 points.
Grabe.
Charity. Jacob, Preston Vincent. Empting for 3. Wala. Another empting. Nagdidibog ng bola. Vincent. Pass to
Ah!
Vincent. 2 points. Okay, Vincent.
Vincent.
Jacob, dribbling the ball. Jacob, Glenn for 3. Ay, wala. Rebound by. Wala. Uy, Richard, ano?
Joker!
Vincent Perales.
Ay! Isa pa! Ay, pusa.
Yun na. 4 minutes remaining time. Score 58-71. Kuya Martin dribbling the ball. 2 points. RJ pass goes. Those ready to pinasa kay Richard. Richard kay Jacob. Running for Sampo, ref. Go Jacob. Show us what you got, Jacob. You can do it, man. Almost. Alright. RJ for 3. Alam na. Ringless with RJ. Running for Sampo. Okay, Kuya Martin. Martin dribbling the ball. 2 points, number 16. 17.
Luchan!
Dribbling the ball.
Luchan!
Alas by Richard.
Wow!
2 points.
Mekeni!
Pass to Richard. Richard, nakahanap na kamusahan. Yeah! seconds to play. 17. 17.
Highlights, highlights.
Halaga. Sumayaw na naman. Wala.
Sayang, sayang yun. Ganda sana.
Glenn. 40 seconds.
Nakagatak. No, kaya na.
Glenn again. Yeah! 3 points. 3 points by number 25. Pinakalaga si 25. Pinasa. Pinalit kay Glenn. 10. 15 seconds. Kuya, wala. 10 seconds to play. Wala. 3,
Robert, Robert.
1. End of our third quarter. Ate Diane, paksipalit po ako ng siumay. Thank you po. Here, pass to 17 times sa akin. Wala.
Okay lang.
Glenn, winning the ball. Up here. Up here.
Ochan. Highlights, highlights, highlights. Wow! Grabe yun, oh.
17, foul number 30. Ay, 16, foul 16. Ate Martin na. Foul 16, Ate Martin. Tapos 8 foul din na rin. Sit tayo sa fourth quarter foul. Basket number 17.
Nice, nice.
Basket yung isa. Glenn! Glenn, the ball. Pass to Kuya Eric. Kuya for 3. Wala kaya. Uy, nice. Nice man. Ikaw lang yung isa yan. Two points by, I don't know, basta na siya dun. Number 23. For 3.
Wow! Go, Kyra.
Richard. Richard for 3. And kulang pa na. Ay, hindi na ako.
Ingat lang, ingat.
Konti lang players ni Vita. Acuna. Ria Acuna. RJ. RJ for 3. Malayo pero malapit. 78-87 ang score po natin. Number 16. Number 16. Dumiretso si Kuya. Hindi pinantayan. Pinatira. Wala. 2-1.
Go, main!
Yes, sir.
Go, point! Wow!
2 points by number 27.
Grabe yun. Ha?
3 seconds. Stepping on the line. Wala na set ready. All right. Dogs. For Kyle ulit.
Wow! For Kyra! Grabe!
Malakpak si Kyle. Tingnan mo, malakpak mo.
Papa-impress kay Kyra.
Okay, Glenn, dribbling the ball. Ay, wala. Oh, strawberry jump. Nakuha ulit. Wala ka. May paano na. Hindi na siya nagplano mag-shoot. Dogs, pass the ball. Kurt with a smile.
To Chan!
Charity, pass to dogs, to dogs. 2 points for dribbling the ball. Lapit na tayo matapos guys. 8 minutes na lang. Kaya niyo pa yan. Tolentino. Tolentino. Hala, Soraya.
Grabe talaga.
2 points.
Gusto talaga magpa-picture. Mechanic.
Clement. Clement dribbling the ball. Clement. Obiet. 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 Nice. Deuce naman. RJ the Christian. Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray. Ahoy. Nahuli. Pero may foul. Number 16. Foul. Kuya Martin. Next game po natin, Business versus Saints. Mag-ready na po tayo. Number 17,
So, Chan.
basket.
Noise.
Another one. Wala. Clem.
Oh.
Clem dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Richard. Richard for 2. Kuha ni Girl. Wala. Pasa kay
Ay! May! Grabe!
for 2. Charity.
Grabe talaga to si Christian. Gusto magpa-picture. Wala ng battery.
Kuya Martin!
Kinap-
Jump shot! Wala! Rebound by RJ. Okay, giving the ball pass to
Ah,
Christian
okay.
Gray. Mr. Gray, dumiretso, Lilia. Oh, wala! Another...
Kyra!
Ano
Ay,
yun?
Kyra. Sayang.
Glenn. Glenn for 3 ulit. Rebound by Ken. Haras by Kuya Martin. Kuya Martin.
Tres.
Ken, dumiretso. Oh,
Ay! Ay!
wala. Wala, hindi nakita.
Baba!
Jacob, go Jacob! It's okay. Yan! Isa pa kaya? Ayan na. 2 points by number 30, Kuya Enes.
Hindi ko alam. Parang hindi. Hindi yata.
98-82. 5 minutes remaining
Hindi ko
time.
sure eh.
So Perales, Vincent.
Ay! Meng!
So
Kyra!
Oh,
Kyra, sayang.
Glenn dribbling the ball. Glenn dribbling the ball for 3. Wala. Vincent.
Ay, Chan!
Vincent. Glenn Chan.
Yes!
For 3. Kurt Vincent Perez.
Wow!
3 points. Number 27.
Go, Lin! Go, Lin!
Bola. Okay. Rebound by Perez. Richard to Martin. Martin for 2. Rebound by Dobbs. Jacob, next one, Jacob. Another one, another try, Jacob. That's it. Wala, fine.
Go, Chan!
Set breaking.
Pang-highlights, pang-highlights.
4 minutes. Sasayaw. Mag-set ko lang.
Yun,
2
oh.
points by Christian
Grabe
Gray.
talaga. Ang bangis ng Kapampangan. Ang bangis ng Pampanga.
Okay. Parang nasa travelator lang sila. Pabiyahe yan. Sa airport lang sila. Sige na, isa pa lang. Yan. Ayan. By Obia. Sino?
Yes, Kurt!
Wala. Score natin 85-104.
Go, Chan.
Jake,
Pang highlights.
17. For
Go, Kyra!
yeah, wala. Go, Jacob. Okay.
Grabe yung cheering. Grabe yung
Sige,
cheering.
Lakas. Oh, Ayun, boys.
Go, Jermaine! Go, Jermaine!
Number
Sana kay Kyra!
Christian Gray. Oh, wala. Rebound by Jacob. Jacob dribbling the ball. Jacob dumiretso. Another three for Jacob, I think. Yeah, I think so. You can do it, man. Yeah! Well done, man. I'm so proud of you.
So proud of you.
Ten for three. Wala. Kuya Eric, rebound.
Another one! Isa pa! Another one! Another one!
Kuya Martin, for two. Number 16. Last 2 minutes.
Jermaine!
Jermaine. Perez. 10 to shoot. Halaka.
Jermaine! Jermaine!
Halaka. 4 seconds to shoot.
Kamay! Pakaira! Ayun o. Grabe o. Huli sa camera.
Kuya Martin. Oh, wala. Kuya Martin na. For two. Hey, good one. 1 minute.
Isa pa, Jermaine! For Kyra!